Hello everyone. So in previous video we have understand about what is a LangChain. Now in this video with practically we are going to see how we can call different LLM model using a LangChain. So I will open my VS Code. So previously what we have done, we have created a different API key. We have created API key for the Google, OpenAI and the Groq, and with the help of this code we were calling those model. Now if you had to use a Google related model, right? Whatever the Google provides a different LLM model, if you had to call that, then you had to write a this separate code. If you had to use the OpenAI related model, then you had to use this separate code. And if you had to use a Groq, then this particular code you had to write. So you can see there are different ways of calling the code. Now with LangChain, you don't need to write a multiple code. What you have to do, you just have to import a library and you just have to call the model. So I will show you what I will do. I am going to create a new notebook. So in a notebook, I'll create one new notebook. I will give the name as a LangChain. Let me give the proper name here. LangChain app.py. Now what we will do, we will first import a few library. What is the first thing? Because your API keys are available in a .env. So what we will do, we will import this first. So I will just copy this. Import OS from .env, load .env, so that whatever is available in a .env, it will be loaded here. That is the simple thing. Now next thing is like, if you have to use any of the API, so if you want to use a Groq related model, right? Whatever the Groq provides a different model, if you have to use, then you have to import a library. So let me open a LangChain document and let me show you how you can search. You have to search for the LangChain in a Google. Search for the LangChain in a Google. You can see langchain.com. Open that. Click on the learn here. You will see documentation. Click on that. You have to click on the build, and after that click on the LangChain. Now you can see the integration from the top. You can see integration. Click on that. Now here you will see a different provider. So if you have to use a OpenAI related model, then you have to import this package. If you had to use a Google related model, then you had to use this package. Similarly for the Groq, we have this package, like multiple LLM providers, right? So for all those, we have a different packages that we have to import. So I will show you example for the Groq so that you'll get better idea. I'll just click on the Groq, and after that click on the chat Groq, and what we have to do, we had to import this. So if I had to use a Groq related models, I have to just import this. So I will write here from LangChain Groq import chat Groq. What I am writing, from LangChain Groq import chat Groq. Now we have to install the LangChain Groq also. So I will just copy this. I'll go to the requirement.txt. Here I will just import the LangChain Groq. Save it. What is the first thing we are going to do? We have to install this. So I will write pip install -r requirement.txt. Enter. Now what actually it will do? It is going to install a LangChain Groq. So whatever library you want to, or whatever package you want to install, you just have to write here, and after that run pip install -r requirement.txt. It is going to install in your system. So you can see it is going to install. So that is the first thing we have to do, so that whatever error it is showing currently, right, it will be gone. So we have imported a library. Now it's installed also. That's why we are not seeing any error. So that is the first thing. Now after that, let's go to the document again. What we have to write? We have to write LLM equal to the, so this you have imported, right? So write this chat Groq, open a bracket. Now whatever the model, so previously which model we have used? We have used a Llama 3.1, right? So here also we are going to use a Llama 3.1 8B instant, any of the model which Groq provides, right? So that model you just have to write comma, and then because your API keys are available in a .env, that also we have to load, right? So for that, what we will write? We will write API key equal to the os dot get environment Groq API key. What we are writing, LLM equal to, this is the library we have imported, right? So LLM equal to the chat Groq. Model name you just have to pass, and because API key details you have to pass, you just have to pass this. That's it. Now after that, you just have to write LLM dot invoke and whatever the message you want to ask. So if I want to ask about explain me about ML in 3 lines. So this is the question I am asking. Explain me about ML in 3 lines. And based on this, it will give me output. So that's it. Now your LangChain code is ready. Now suppose you have to call OpenAI related. Then you have to import that library, and in a model you have to pass that. That's it. You just have to change this package. You have to call this package, and in a model you have to call, and invoking and everything will remain same. You don't need to change anything. You just have to import the packages, you have to call the packages, and you have to change the model, whatever model you have to use, and rest everything will remain same. Now let's test this also. So what I will do, I will try to run this. I will write Python LangChain app.py. Okay, we are in the GenAI folder. First, we have to go inside the notebook. So I will write cd notebooks. Now after that, I will write Python LangChain app.py. Now it will start running. And what is the question we have asked? We have asked about the explain me about ML in a 3 lines. So based on that, it should give me output. So here I am getting one error. Like if you see the error, right, it's saying like error, the model llama doesn't exist or you don't have access, because we are using a free tier, right? So obviously there will be a few model where we will not have access. So what we will do, we'll come to the Google, search for the Groq models. We'll try with the different models which is available, because we are using a free API key, and obviously all the models access we will not have. So the supported model, here you can click, and here you will see a different models are available, and based on that we can try another model where we will have a access. So this model, the Queen 3.6, this model I want to try. I will just copy this. I'll just paste here. So you can see this is the model I have just written. Now after that, let me try with this. I will just save it. I will just run Python LangChain app.py. So it is not returning anything. So what I will do, I will try to store into one variable, and I will try to print. So I will write response equal to this, and I will just do a print response. Save it. Now if I try to run again Python LangChain app.py, it should give me answer for this ML. So you can see now it has returned me answer, and it is returning about the ML. So you can see this is the content, and here you can see exactly 3 lines. What is ML? A subset of AI, where all those details actually it has given. Now because it has given me other output also, right? There are so many things. If you want to see exact, so what you just have to write response dot content. Just save it and again try to run it. It will print the content only. Now you can see it is giving me about the machine learning. Machine learning is a branch, line 1, then line 2, and the line 3. So like this it is returning me the answer. So like that, if you can ask anything, you will get the answer. So we have tested for the chat Groq, right? Similarly, for other model, suppose I want to use Google, right? So for that, how actually I can call? So the same code, what you have to do, you have to go into the documentation here in integration. So in the document, in the integration, you will see a Google Gemini, right? So we have to click on this Google Gemini and chat Google generative AI. This is the one we have to click here. Now from the top, what you have to do, we just have to import this. So just copy this. What we will write? We will write this. We have just imported. Now this one, if you have to use chat Google generative AI, you have to write here and you just have to change the model name. So we want to test with the Gemini 3.7, right? So I will just write here Gemini 3.7 and here I will write a Google API key. So my API key name is a Google API key, right? And I have imported, I have just changed it and the model name. So you can see rest of all the code will remain same. You don't need to do, you just have to import. You have to change the model name, whatever model you want to use, and the obviously API key for that. That's it. Rest of the thing will remain same. Now you have to install this, right? LangChain Google Gemini. So I'll go to the here in a requirement.txt. I will mention this also. Save it. Run the requirement.txt. Pip install -r requirement.txt. I will do. It's going to install the Google Gemini also. So for that, first I have to go back and then I will run pip install -r requirement.txt. So you can see it is installing. Now after that, if I'll come here, this error is gone. We have imported the packages and these packages I am using here. Model name I am selecting and the API key is coming from the Google API key. That's it. Our code is ready and now we have to run this. Now if you have to run this, you have to go into the notebook section first. So I'll go cd notebooks and then after that I will run Python LangChain app.py. Now you can see it is returning what is machine learning and all those things. Now if you want to print it better, we can print like this. Let me comment this and let me run again and let me show you. Now it is returning properly. You can see machine learning is the branch and it works with this and all those details actually it has returned. So if you have to print properly, you can write like this. Now similarly, if you have to use a OpenAI, then what you have to do? You have to come to the document again, click on the LangChain document, click on the integration. For the OpenAI, we have this package. Click on this, chat OpenAI. What you have to do? You have to just import this. So I'll import this, and then we have to install this. Come to the requirement.txt. You have to run this, and this chat OpenAI you have to call here, and you have to call the model name, whatever the model you want to call. So you have to pass the model name GPT 5.6 and OpenAI key, and the rest will remain same. So you can see now with LangChain everything is very easy. You just have to import the packages, you have to call here, you have to change the model name, rest everything will remain same. So this is how we call, this is how we invoke, and we just have to print the response in a proper way. So that's it. So I hope you got the idea. With LangChain everything is like very easy to integrate a different model.